More and more countries are opening its border for foreign workers due to labor shortage, and another new country which recently announced 3 new visa categories is none other than New Zealand, which will allow immigrants to move on this visa category. You may be hearing a lot about New Zealand opening its border to the world.
Concerned foreign staff shortages are hurting New Zealand's hospitality businesses. Industry leaders say a lack of workers is causing some reduction in services.
For work as borders open up again. Some sectors have
are really advertised here. The Trucking Association wants relaxed borders to be matched with relaxed immigration rules. Hospitality is the same.
This is great news for all the visa aspirants. It means that if you want to come to New Zealand to study, work, travel, or to live permanently, you can apply for a visa and come here. So if you want to learn about the 3 new visa categories launched by New Zealand, please make sure to watch the video till the end. Hey guys, I'm Sarika and welcome to Your Knowledge Buddy. My today's agenda is to cover everything about the 3 new visa categories, eligibility criteria, fees, and we will discuss few job sites which you can use to find a job in New Zealand. But before I start, I want to address few comments which were sent in my last couple of videos which I posted about Netherlands and Sweden's visa and jobs, where you had concern about learning the foreign language. So if you want to learn a new language like Dutch or German, you can do that from the comfort of your own home via Busuu website or their app. They provide both free and premium version. You can access most of the lessons in the free mode and learn all 14 languages. But a few key differences between the free version and the premium version are like the offline mode feature that enables premium users to download and complete lessons without internet connection. Second is personalized study plan, and third is premium users can book live sessions with language teachers to test their speaking skills live. So go and check out Busuu with the links provided below in my video description. You can sign up and start learning for free and try out the Busuu Premium free trial for 7 days. So without any further delay, let's begin with today's topic. So first visa category name is straight to residence. Second visa category is work to residence. Third visa category is highly paid residence. And good news is that you don't need to spend 5 years to get permanent residency like UK, where you need to be on skill visa for 5 years before you can apply your permanent residency in UK. So if you're wondering how many years you need to spend on this visa to get permanent residency, keep watching this video. Now let's understand all the visa categories in detail. So first is straight to residence. It's like Australia and Canada's PR, where you get PR based on parameters like education, job, and age. As the name suggests, straight to residence, which means you get direct residence permit. This is given to those people whose occupations lie in New Zealand's shortage occupation list, which is called as green list. This is a points-based visa that considers factors such as age, work experience, your qualifications, and an offer of skilled employment. So you get this permanent residency straight away. Now let's talk about the eligibility criteria. Number 1, to be eligible for this residence visa, you must be employed by or hold a job offer from accredited employer. Number 2, your role must be under tier 1 of the green list. Number 3, you must meet the specified requirements on the list of your role. Number 4, your role must be full-time, at least 30 hours a week, genuine and permanent, or be at least 12-month fixed term contract. Under certain circumstances, independent contractors are also eligible to apply for this visa. Now, few examples of jobs which fall under this high skills category, which means green list of New Zealand, are number 1, all engineering fields are in huge demand, like chemical engineering, civil engineering, technician, electrical engineering, electronics engineering, technician, environmental engineering, geotechnical engineering, industrial engineering, materials engineering, mechanical engineering, production of plant engineering, structure engineering, and the list goes on. So I'm going to put all this list in my video description and also on the screen so that you can pause it, have a look, and take a screenshot as well. Second category is IT jobs. If you're in IT, you need to earn specific salaries like information and communication technology. ICT managers need to earn $120K. Software engineer need to earn $120K. ICT security specialists need to earn $120K, and multimedia specialist 95K. Third category is in medical, like doctors, general practitioner, anesthetist, physiotherapist, surgeon, neurosurgeon, orthopedic, urologist, vascular surgeon, other medical practitioners, dermatologists, gynecologists, and again the list is long. I'm going to leave everything on the screen so that you can have a look. Radiologist as well. Other examples of jobs under high demand are scientists, environmental research scientists, food technologists, and under construction they have roles like construction project manager, project builder, quantity surveyor, and surveyor. Now, when can you apply? the straight to residence pathway will be ready for people to apply from 5th of September 2022. Now, let's talk about second visa category, which is work to residence, in which you can apply for residence only after 2 years. So under work to residence visa, it allows employers to complete a job check for the accredited employer work visa without proof of advertising, as long as the minimum requirements for the role at least match the minimum requirements. So let's talk about the eligibility criteria. To be eligible for this residence visa, you must, number 1, be employed in a role under tier 2 of the green list or hold an offer of employment for one. Number 2, meet the specified requirements on the list for the role. Number 3, have worked for 24 months in New Zealand in the role and meet the specified its requirements under tier 2 of the green list. Number 4, your employer must be accredited when you apply for this visa. Now, few examples of jobs which falls under this visa categories are like anesthetic technician, medical lab technician, medical imaging technologies, medical radiation therapist, occupational therapist, sonographer, audiologist, all registered nurses, midwife and teachers, secondary with specialization and registered early childhood education, automotive electrician, diesel motor mechanic including heavy vehicle inspector, electricians, general, registered, plumber registered and dairy farm managers. Now, if you're wondering when can you apply, the work to residence require people to have worked for 24 months and will be available for people to apply from 29th of September 2023. Eligible migrants in this occupation can apply for residence only after 2 years. Now, the third visa category is highly paid residents. So as the name suggests, highly paid, which means you need to be highly paid. This visa category are for those earning twice the median wage in other roles which are not listed under the green list, and they can also apply for residence after 2 years. Now, let's look at the eligibility criteria. To be eligible for this residence visa, you must have, number 1, employment or an offer of employment in a role that is paid at least twice the median wage. Currently, New Zealand $55.52 an hour, which is really high. Number 2, been working for 24 months in New Zealand in a role that paid at least twice the median wage. Number 3, your employer must also be accredited when you apply for this visa. Now, acceptable work in New Zealand can be counted from 29th of September 2021, which is good. When can you apply? This will be available for people to apply only from 29th of September 2023. Now, let me give you a high-level summary of eligibility criteria for all the visa categories. On the date you apply for your residence visa, number 1, you should be age 55 or younger. Number 2, you and if applicable your partner and dependent children age 16 or over meet the English language requirements like IELTS, general or academic module with overall score of 6.5 or more like TOEFL or PTE. Number 3, you and your partner and dependent children in your application meet health and character requirements for residence. Number 4, at the time you apply, you must be working for an accredited employer. Now, let's talk about application fees. The application fee and the immigration cost will vary. So it will be anywhere between New Zealand $4,020 and $4,890, depending whether you're applying from within New Zealand or any other part of the world. Now, let's talk about the job sites from where you can apply jobs. So LinkedIn is my favorite tool, which you can use, seek.com and careers.government.nz, which is New Zealand's government website, where there are plenty of jobs which you can apply. Now, let me summarize. For you to be eligible for any of these visa categories, you need a job offer. So make sure you start applying for the jobs, and once you're successful, your company can apply for your own visa or you can apply your own visa. Good news is that your dependents can also come with you and they can work full time. I provided all the links in my video description, so make sure go and check it out. If you guys got any questions, do let me know in the comment section below. Thanks for watching my video till the end, and I'll see you guys soon with my next video. Till then, keep learning.